Let's eat, guys. Galunggong, ipiprito natin, guys. Ayun siya. Yummy, yummy. Yan. Tapos dagdagan natin ng adobong kangkong. Ang masarap na lunch namin. Healthy lunch. Adobong kangkong yan, guys. Wala yan sahog-sahog, kundi bawang at sibuyas only. Tapos sasabayan namin ng piritong galunggong. Yan siya, guys. Yummy and healthy lunch.